Hi guys, welcome to another Seb session. I'm Seb, head bartender and mixologist at Gin & Tonic, and I prepared for you a classic, iconic gin-based drink, the Dry Martini. So, as you may have noticed, I'm already pre-chilling my Pony Coupette, but I'm also pre-chilling my mixing glass. So, in my opinion, there is no better way to express the full flavor of a gin than in a gin martini, a dry gin martini. We have a few key things we need to have in mind when fixing a martini, one of them being temperature, the other one being time, and the third one being theater. We call them the three T's of a martini. So I'm gonna start off with 60 ml of our craft grapefruit and hop gin. Add that to the mixing glass. Next, we're gonna be using classic dry vermouth, Chazelet, 10 ml. We're gonna ice that up, and we're gonna give it a stir. The key when stirring a martini is to try it as you're stirring it. When it feels that it's burning, you need to stir more. As it gets watery, you will need to stop. The best way to try it is just on the back of your hand where the taste is neutral. So right now we mellowed down the spirit, but we still have all the flavor of the gin there. So it's time for us to discard the ice and strain that into our chilled coupette, into our chilled pony coupette. Gonna give that a bit of distance on the pouring just for a touch of aeration. And because I went for grapefruit gin, I'm gonna complement that with a lovely grapefruit peel to add an extra touch of zing to it. I'm gonna squeeze in all the essential oils from the peel, and we're gonna drop the peel into our drink, complementing all the citrus there. So there we have it, classic, dry, elegant, dry martini. Enjoy, cheers.